The following is going to be an instructional video of how to configure the A-Shine Wi-Fi camera M008 for remote access to app TinyCam. And we're going to do that in the following manner. As we go to the phone's home screen, we are going to locate our settings. And we're going to tap on settings. Tap on Wi-Fi, and we're going to look for the code for the camera in the Wi-Fi list. In this case, it's HCAM, etc. We're going to tap on that, and within a few seconds, we have a connection between the phone and the camera directly, and that's indicated by a check mark in front of HCAM. At that point, we are going to close back out of our phone settings, and we are now going to access the app. In this case, that being TinyCam. And within TinyCam, we're going to now select Add Device. Line search device. This being the camera. Going to tap on Adding device. And this is the pre-live view of the camera. In order to see it live, we would tap on the arrow key, and now we have a live view of the app with a connection of the app to the phone. Now the second step is going to be to connect the camera to the router in order to get unlimited access, and we're going to do that by closing back out of this window and going to the pre-live view, and this time we're going to tap on the gear on the wrench symbol, and we are going to have the settings come up, and we're going to select Wi-Fi configuration. Now within Wi-Fi configuration, we're going to go to the top to SSID and find our router. In this particular case, the router at this location is this. We're going to tap on that, and then we're going to enter the password for that router. And we are going to look at what we've input, and that is not correct. And double checking it again, that appears to be correct. Tap return, tap confirm, and now we're going to wait for the camera and router to connect, and that's going to take a few moments, and we'll just wait until that happens. And here we see in the next window that the camera is in fact trying to connect to the router. However, on the first attempt, we usually end up getting this message: device not online. Please check the power and network is normal. We know the camera is connected, so what we're going to do is we're going to close the app again, and we're going to reopen the app again. Okay. Now, With TinyCam, it's going to insist that we change the password at this point, okay, before we can actually access the camera, because we are now accessing it remotely. So we're going to tap on change, and we are going to enter the old password, in other words the default password, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And we're going to change the password right now just to an uncomplicated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has to be a minimum of 6 characters. And we're going to confirm that again by entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully I've done that correctly. It doesn't look quite right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And tap return. And tap confirm. Password is incorrect. And we'll enter it again. Eight, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And apparently, this time I entered it correctly. Is the camera is resetting, and here it is in pre-live. In order to see it live, tap on the arrow, and here's our live view. We are now watching this through the internet, not through the phone directly anymore. And that's how we do the setup for the TinyCam.